on two things. We're going to sharpen the image. We're going to, and remove the dust and scratches. So the first thing is I'm going to zoom in on the little boy's shirt. And you can see all of these red and blue specks or white specks. And we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to use our filter to get rid of it. So filter, noise, dust, and scratches. And according to the book, we set it to a radius of 1, a threshold of 0, and we press OK. And you notice right here is a preview window as well. And we can see now those specks are now gone. The next thing we're going to do is Smart Sharpen. So I go to Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. And we are going to set the following. So we're going to have our amount to 60, our radius to 1.5, and we don't have to do anything to the noise. And you can play around with these. Now we want to have lens blur selected, not motion blur. So if you had a motion blur in your image, you wanted to correct it, you put motion blur. We're going to do a lens blur. And we have the preview button, so if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can. Then I press OK. Now make sure to save your image, to Command S to save it. And we're ready to go on to our next item, which is a bicycle.